In this video, we'll show you how to integrate Firebase with Retool. Click here and open Resources. Now, click on the Create New button and select Resources. Next, select Firebase. Here, you need to input the integration name, service account key, and Firebase database URL. Then click the Create Resource button. You can also test your connection by clicking here. Now, let's go back as we've already integrated the Firebase database with Retool. You can check the integration settings here. You can see we've already entered the integration name, service account key, and Firebase database URL. Next, we'll move to the dashboard and add a demo record to show you. Click here and input the values. The new record has been successfully added. Now, let's see this record in the Firebase database. Here, you can see the record has also been added in the Firebase database. If you require similar integrations or any Retool services, feel free to reach out to us using the contact details provided in the description below.